Okay, so when you go to install the MessageNOW server, you're going to get an email with a link in it. So we're going to go ahead and go through that process here real quick. It's going to look something similar to this. Go ahead and click on the link, and it's going to automatically download to your computer. We're going to go ahead and just going to go ahead and save that. After it's finished downloading, you can go over to your File Explorer, go to Downloads, and you'll see MessageNOW Client. It's going to be zipped up. You go ahead and click on it, then right click. I'm going to extract here, open it up, and go ahead and hit Install. Select Run, Next, Next, Next. After it's finished, go ahead and hit Close, and you'll have your new icon over on your desktop. You can go ahead and double click that to open it, and there you go.